news on the Congress in Karnataka. The Congress party is announcing guarantees for the Delhi elections, announcing the first guarantee for Delhi. Let's cut across.
So we decided, and now here I have come here to launch this Pyari Didi Hogi Yojana. This is, we are going to give, I am confident that Congress government will come in Delhi. We are going to implement on the first day of the cabinet, 2,500 rupees will be implemented, and I think as soon as the political process starts, whatever the decision has been taken in Karnataka on the same model, 2,500 rupees, this Pyari Didi Yojana will be implemented, and the rest will be announced later. Today I am here to launch Pyari Didi Yojana, 2,500 rupees to every woman as per the Karnataka model. So let us first have our play cards.
So this was the press conference of DK Shivkumar, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister. Remember, the Congress party is bringing out its big guns, including Chief Ministers, Deputy Chief Ministers, to make its announcements or promises to the people of Delhi. The first promise that Congress is making for the people of Delhi is direct cash transfer of 3,000 rupees for women. The Congress party promising to bring a scheme of sending money directly into the accounts of the women of Delhi. So this is the press briefing that's coming in of the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, where he's making that announcement. But remember, even as the Congress party is making these tall promises in Delhi ahead of the assembly elections, there are leaders from within Karnataka Congress who have come out to say that guarantees are hurting development in Karnataka. So DK Shivkumar, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister in the national capital, making promises on behalf of the Congress party for the Delhi elections. But on the other hand, we're seeing the Congress leaders from Karnataka saying because of guarantees, development is taking a backseat. In fact, it's not just Congress leaders. DK Shivkumar himself had admitted on the first year of the Karnataka government that development is taking a backseat in Karnataka because we are focusing on the guarantees being implemented. DK Shivkumar himself had made that admission. Now it is DK Shivkumar who is making these announcements of the Congress party. The guarantee is being announced in the national capital. So these are the promises that the Congress party is making to the people of Delhi ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. And it looks like it's raining stops. The Aam Aadmi Party has made its own set of announcements, after which the Congress party also making its announcement. And the Congress party is going to bring out its leaders as well as the chief ministers to make these announcements. The first promise being made by the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, but it's not just him. Revanth Reddy, the Telangana Chief Minister, is also going to be announcing one of the promises of the Congress party. Apart from that, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu is also expected to make an announcement for the promise that the Congress party is making for the people of Delhi. So the Congress party making these announcements, but this also comes amid a lot of criticism from within the party, from outside as well, on how it is possible fiscally to ensure that these guarantees are implemented. A lot of questions, remember, have been raised on whether it's possible to have these guarantees fulfilled, whether it is the taxpayers who end up facing the burden of it. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, we're seeing the visuals of the Congress party making the first guarantee to the people of Delhi. But interestingly, just today, we have heard a Congress leader in Karnataka talk about the burden that these guarantees have, not just on the taxpayers, but how development takes a backseat because of it.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the Congress leader from Karnataka itself has clarified that how these sort of schemes, these sort of freebies put a burden on the government accounts. Now, today, DK Shivkumar, who's here in the national capital, have launched the Pyari Didi scheme. And he said that he's confident the Congress will form the government in Delhi, and the Congress will provide around 2,500 to the women, and it will be decided in the very first meeting of cabinet on the same model that we had implemented in the state of Karnataka. So clearly the model of Karnataka here will be implemented here. The Congress party says that they are extremely confident, and if they win and form the government, the first decision that the cabinet will take is to implement the Pyari Didi scheme here in the national capital that would provide 2,500 to every single woman here in the national capital. See, Pratibha,
every single woman here in the national capital. See, Pratibha, a few days back also the Aam Aadmi Party had announced a similar scheme where Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had announced the Mahila Samman Yojana, where the women of the national capital will be getting around 2,100. Now, this has seen a severe backlash where the concerned Delhi government department has said that no such notification has been issued and it is a fraudulent practice, and it has also warned the people of the national capital to share their personal data during the registration process. See, here in the national capital, the Congress Delhi, the Punjab Congress unit was also present, where they had leveled allegation against the Aam Aadmi Party that the Aam Aadmi Party had failed to deliver on the promises that they have made to the women of Punjab, that they are going to provide 1,000 rupees monthly. Yes. Now this particular guarantee coming in from the Congress party here in the national capital ahead of the Delhi polls.
Absolutely. And previously in the elections, it's Rahul Gandhi who has made these announcements. But now in Delhi, we're seeing the Congress chief ministers and deputy chief minister making the announcement. But let's speak about the impact that these guarantees seem to be